Hello everybody, this is Kim at her family farm in Cumbie, Texas, and I'm outside with the doggies. We have Bella's 4 bloodhounds out here. We have Sassy's 7 bloodhounds out here. We have Moni's puppies. Come here, Momo. Come here. Momo, come here. Moni is being a lot of trouble. Yesterday I let her outside and I put her puppies inside a puppy pen because I didn't want them wandering around because they're so tiny. And she, come here, Momo, come here. Come here, baby, come here. She took 8 of 11 puppies out of the little puppy pen and she hid them in a hole, and I was freaking out for hours because Sassy, that's enough. I could not find her little Catahoula puppies anywhere, and on top of that there was a 2.5-foot cottonmouth, or otherwise known as water moccasin, in my front yard right by my front porch, and it was just sunning itself and it came after me. So of course I killed it because it can eat any of these little puppies, especially those little Catahoulas. That is a snack for a snake that size. And then today I mowed, and because of the winter storm that we had, the ice storm, I have limbs and branches and everything. I got trees down everywhere, and so I had a guy come and like cut everything for me, but he just threw it in a pile, which was fine. And he had piles and piles of limbs and branches and stuff, and so I burnt all that stuff already because I knew that that was like a snake magnet, rat magnet, mice magnet. And so I took care of those piles, but then I had like piles of cut up stuff, and it was piled by the trees, and I'm like, great, we're getting snakes again. So I went ahead and I stacked the wood out there in sort of in the middle of the orchard, and that way, like, I'm hoping that the rats, mice, snakes don't hang out like here, because the puppies are over here and I don't need snakes over here with the puppies. But then over near my mailbox right there by the street, I was picking up branches and limbs out there as I was mowing the lawn. I picked up a branch. Copperhead. Ugh. I think copperheads are one of the most beautiful snakes ever, but they're also venomous and I don't need them. So that was a dead snake. And then I was mowing along the driveway and I found a metal pipe and I picked that up. Sure enough, there was a snake underneath that too. So I used the pipe and killed that one too. So I know I am a snake killer. Let me tell you, when it started to warm up in the 60s and I'd come out here and clean up and clean up and clean up, I would see a minimum of 6 snakes a day. And I don't think that's normal, but this, for some reason, is a snake paradise. Hello. And I want it to be a puppy paradise, not a snake paradise. I want a puppy paradise. I want a pony paradise. I'm going to get chickens and ducks and geese and guinea and quail. And I don't need, and I'm getting bunnies. And I don't need snakes coming in and eating puppies or killing goats or killing ducks. And I've had... Thank you for the kisses. Oh my goodness, you're happy. I've had that happen before. The snakes that just come in and wrap around the ducks like adult ducks and just choke them. It's just terrible. They'll wait till the nighttime when they're sleeping and they just come in and just kill them. You are a happy little boy. Oh my goodness. You are so happy. Go play. Go play. Go on. Oops. 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 Looking for a free lunch. Chi-Chi, you don't even have milk, do you? Say, no, Mama, I don't have milk. Jojo, what are you doing? So right now, baby's Catahoulas are inside. She's got 8. And Tala's Catahoulas are still inside. She's got 10. So yesterday, I had baby's Catahoulas out here also. But Moni started fighting with baby. So I will wait a few more days before I bring those puppies out. Just because I don't need the mamas fighting over puppies. That's no bueno. But as you can see, they say that the storms are building west of Fort Worth. Hey, 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 hey! Puppy, 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 puppy! Oh, 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 oh. Mama's gonna take care of it. No. Okay, so this... Hey! 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 This! Hey! What a little stinker. The little bloodhounds are Sassy's, and the big bloodhounds are Bella's, because Bella only had 4 and they're a week older. Look, you squirt. What do you think you're doing? Little boy. Oh, Mama's, you're grounded. That's it. You can't pick on, it would be your half sibling. Don't give me kisses and tell me that you love me. I'm not falling for that. I'm not, no, don't give me kisses. No, I'm not falling for a cute face. Well, maybe. You can't pick on the little puppies. You're a big puppy now. Do you know you're 5 weeks old? This is it. You're 5 weeks old. And you're just full of trouble. That's all you are. You're full of trouble. All right, look. Go down and play. But don't pick on the little puppies. Hi. Hi, Chi-Chi. Hi, Chi-Chi. I love you too. I love you, Chi-Chi. And the dogs in the front yard got, the adult dogs, got a bath. Hey, Chi-Chi, I know they're trying to nurse. Don't growl at them. Hey, you, don't be troubles. But everybody loves puppies. Even the puppies love puppies. These are the Anatolian Shepherds. Can you tell that they're... Hi! Hi, Jelly Bean! Hi, Jelly! Hi! Can you tell that the livestock guardian dogs are just true guardians, even when they're puppies? These are 4-month-old puppies. They don't attack them. They don't roughhouse with them. They babysit them, even at 4 months old. So whatever. What you doing, little puppy? Hi. Hi, little girl. Were you babysitting the puppies? Are you babysitting? You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. You are such an angel. I know, you're jealous. But the Anatolian Shepherds, like even at 4 months old, they are amazing. They don't pick on them. They just want, hi. They just want to be with them, near them. Hi, sweetheart. They follow him around. And then I have a Catahoula that's picking on a bloodhound. Hi, Momo. I know, kissy face. I have been working all day long, so this is my first sit down. Hi, Chichi, I love you. Yes, I know you're there. Yes, my baby girl. So we have Bella, Sassy, Ruger, and Jojo. My bloodhounds are out here. Jelly Bean, the mascot, my little beagle. There's Trouble. She's my Catahoula. We have, well, Tala went in the house, but we have Chi Chi, or Kachina. And then we have Moni. And Trouble. And then Dusty was around here. I don't know where Dusty went. She's my Anatolian Shepherd. These two Anatolian Shepherds are for sale. They're available. And they're just guardians. I actually have people who breed smaller dogs. They get the Anatolian Shepherd so that the Anatolians take care of the puppies and make sure that all the puppies are safe. So nobody comes by and steals them. You know, there's no hawks or turkey vultures or coyotes or foxes, because they'll come in and they'll get the baby puppies. I know this is a long video, but I'm just enjoying the day. I think it's 81. It's cloudy. We've got a breeze. And the dogs in the backyard are going crazy because I've got my horses in the backyard eating my lawn. So I'm going to let them eat the lawn today and I'll mow the lawn tomorrow. That's what I do. Horses get to eat and then I mow. But I have one little male pony. He's my little Welsh pony, and he will go right up to the dog pens, and he'll walk up and down the dog pens, and he teases, and that's what he's doing right now. He's right back there teasing the dogs. So this is absolutely nothing exciting. Just puppies. And that's where I gave the big dogs a bath, so it's wet over there. Moni, please don't dig a hole under a tree again. Please, Momo. Momo, stop, please. Thank you, Momo. I think that's why my puppies are very well adjusted, because they're put in a very natural environment. We have to go inside in the whelping boxes, of course, because it's clean and it's dry and they get food and water, and you know, they have to stay in there at night. They have to come in the house. But during the day, when they're old enough like this, this is what they need to do. Is come out and play, and they're not kept in cages. I mean, this right here is, I think it's just over an acre, so they can wander anywhere. And that is why an Anatolian Shepherd is just such an amazing breed. It just blows my mind that that puppy is only 4 months old. And it is completely tolerating and just so gentle. Tolerating another puppy, biting it, chewing on it, climbing. Oh, this is the longest video I think I've ever done. I usually try to stop at least 10 minutes. I guess I have to stop now. But puppies are cute. All this interaction, all of this stimuli. It's just turning on their brain, and they just love it. And they get to sniff and run and jump and eat and drink and play and sleep. Oh, wow, that's an ankle. That was an ankle. That is an ankle. Hi. Okay, I'm turning off the video. Have a fantastic day.